burned it coming out. I just put it low right
Fuck, dude. What the fuck is Freddy doing here? I mean, it doesn't look like it.
Was that shit stuck, dude? Oh, that's stuck, man. I want to make a snow angel too. Hold up. Oh, man.
Stuck because he sucks.
Yo, tell him to spin.
Spin!
Go, hammer it.
Hammer it, Hickey. I don't know if anything's gonna happen here. Oh, he's dragging his bitch ass! Ah!
He's still going.
In that pot. Yeah, you got Pegasus on there.
Here we go.
So here we go.
Godspeed.
Godspeed. Yeah. Oh shit.
Watch out!
Watch out! Reverse!
Dude, Jimmy got stuck
Jimmy got stuck? How?
He's a puss.
out there, dude.